What is going on, guys? Bet with size and quick video on wallet tracking. Why you should wallet track? Because honestly, every good trader, every good sol trader uses wallet tracking. You can find great coins early. You can learn like what the whales and the best traders are buying. So I think it's just a must-have, and definitely makes your life easier if you want to make profits and find good coins. So let's go. Easy example. You go Abok. He tweeted out about his Sol wallet, about his challenge, and his biggest holding is Tau. So you go, boom, and go to top traders or top holders, but we're gonna go to top traders. If you wanna go and find multiple wallets, not only find like a specific person, and just open up a couple of these, boom. And when you have the people that make big profit opened up, get your GMGN.AI and start checking them. You copy the wallet here, boom, paste, and check. Last week up 240%. That is a good wallet, and 45% win rate. So yeah, let's say you wanna, that actually might be Abok. Oh no, it's not. But let's say you wanna watch this guy, you wanna see what he does, because definitely knows what he's doing. Doesn't have like the highest win rate, but he's in profit. And you click follow, and next time he makes a trade, it's gonna pop up in here in the following tab. You're gonna get a notification, and you can also set up alerts for your Telegram. There's a tutorial for that, but that is simple, so you'll just have to follow it. And you can keep looking, you can keep checking for other wallets. Like, yeah, there you go. This is, okay, actually might not be Abok. But you just keep checking. 173% up, 87% win rate. Now, that is a fire win rate. That means 87.5% of the trades this guy takes, he wins. So, up 500k in total, and that is worth adding to your list. What I like to do is to rename it with their win rate, like this. So the next time you get a notification here, you know which one is it. Because sometimes, like, there is people that have 40% win rate, like we seen a moment ago, and you don't really want to follow them super hard. But there is also wallets that have a win rate in the high 90s or near 100%, and I mean it's usually pretty good to follow them. However, when you're wallet tracking, you shouldn't be just blindly copy trading and hoping for the best. If you want to become a good trader, you gotta start thinking, analyzing why they're buying certain stuff and what is their play style. I'm gonna take an example to show you, because I got a really good wallet that I track, and you're also gonna get free sauce from that. Okay, boom, this guy, 94.7% win rate, 284% up last week, and in total 7.5 mil. So just here you have all the activity he does. You're staking profits on chaos, and from what I've seen from watching this guy, you can also call it 94% win rate, boom, follow. But from what I've seen when I was, and by the way, recent P&Ls, if you want to see some crazy P&Ls, $500,000 on Zero Bro, Mini, Billy, some very big trades, UBC 180k. And you go to activity. What this guy likes to do is, oh, here he was just flipping just for fun. But overall, what I found with his strategy is he likes to ape a coin, wait for it to do like a 2-3x or 4x, then he takes out his initial investment and just holds the rest for long term. So he literally like just stacks coin. He stacks coins that he thinks are gonna do good long term and holds them, but he holds them risk free. So when you're gonna go to holdings, like he holds quite a bit, really holds quite a lot. And there is a lot that are down, but the winners that he holds, the good ones that he has, are covering the losses. Like you see, the worst one he has, the biggest loss, unrealized, 34k, 20k, 14k. The best ones, 2.3 mil, 200k, 100k, 100k. So yeah, that's just an example. And same scheme, just go, top traders at coins, boom, paste, and look for people that, yeah, like, sorry, but you look for people that have a good win rate. So if this guy has 20%, you don't really want that. Or you look for people that are profitable, because some people will have a bad win rate, but their strategy will make up for it. Like you can hit 1 in 10 trades, but do really good overall. We just keep checking. Boom, 50%. He's up 70% last week. And let's see activity. You can also find interesting coins this way, like analyze what they're buying. See Paul, that's some pump fun, that coin. Sometimes these guys will just buy fully random stuff, but you can find some golden things too. This is a whale, 500,000 holdings. Let's see what he does. Actually down last week, so maybe we don't want to follow that. Ooh. My challenge coin sending, kinda. Sorry, getting carried away. And we're running a $100 to 1,000 Sol challenge right now, in the middle of recording my first vid. It's gonna be cut in parts. And yeah, let's get back. Same scheme, you just go, check wallets, 70% win rate, that's good. Up 27%, that's not crazy good, but it's not bad. And you see, if you would have been tracking this guy, let's say you found him from some other coin, for example, he made 50k on Justice, you'd get a notification when he was buying this on literally pump fun levels. I don't know why he was buying and selling. That's some emotional trading. But yeah, you would find this coin, could have checked it out, then boom, it sends, and you would be in profit. So that's the whole strategy. But for finding whales, you can go to like really established coins like Billy, top traders, and just don't do the bots. I actually want to see what the traders do. Okay, 150% up last week. That is fire. Boom, rename, percent win rate, sorry. Follow, and then you'll have them in your list here. As you see, I got Abok named. I can also leak you his address. He got some alpha. 46 minutes ago he bought some new thing. But he can be also just playing around with something random. Macho. Okay, it's some older coin, but Seems like it has some motion. Yeah. It does have some, looks like it's reviving, like it can send back. It is 700k zone, or even 800k. So that is pretty much it. If you wanna know what plays I'm in and what plays I'm taking and see interesting coins, join my Telegram. I called Tau at 200k in there, had my follower make a 5-figure trade on it, and yeah, pretty small community right now, but I'm trying to post coins I find interesting and I'm just trying to provide value. So Telegram link in bio. If you want to get BULLX, link also in bio, and follow my Twitter and sub my YouTube. Gotta plug everything, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna be pushing out banger content, gonna do my best to just provide good videos for you. So Bet with Size is out.